That was text messaging. 98% show rate when they schedule their own appointment. Not us saying, hey, let me go to pencil you in for 3 o'clock Tuesday. No. Let me send you the link. You get the link? Great. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's find time. Let's go ahead and schedule it. Because he's committed to that. So 7 to 10 days later, I verified the policy issued. I did the call. I got trailing documents. I reviewed the decline coverage form 7 to 10 days later. You know, Bob, I just want to bring this up again. What's your name? Chris. Chris, I want to bring this up again. When I first wrote the policy, I recommended that you do this, this, and this, and this, and this. I know you were more concerned with money. It's been about 10 days. You've had some time to think about it. You're still good with the decisions that you made concerning that policy.
C- sucks, but that's what I can afford.
Hey, if you can afford C-, but at least we know to try to work toward B at some point, right? Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to upsell or cross-sell as necessary if there's a cross-sell or upsell opportunity. I'm going to request a testimonial. I ask for testimonials more than I ask for referrals. Okay? I know our business is built on referrals, but here's the deal. If he wants to send me a referral, he's going to send me a referral. Me suddenly saying, don't forget, we build our business on referrals. If you can think of anyone, while that's cool, he's going to send me a referral simply because I treated him so well. But getting a testimonial, that's work. So I'm going to put my energy into what's going to give me the biggest value. So I want the testimonial. How do we do that? We don't ask them to go out. We send them the link to the testimonial. How do I send it to them? What's my preferred method? Text. Because it's right then and there. I'm going to go ahead and share them and text you over a link to our testimonial. When you click on it, open up, it'll be right there. You'll see the Google page, 5 stars. We would love for you to write something positive about our agents. Okay, let's do that while we're on the phone. Let's do that while we're on the phone. Because if you let them get off the phone, what happens? Life happens. Do you know that only 10% of your testimonial requests, if you let them get off the phone, only 10% of the people will fill out a testimonial. Here's what's so funny. You could ask 50 family members, and it would still end up being 10%. Because it's about, let me just do it now while I'm thinking about it.
Billy, are you just looking for a 5, or are you looking for somebody to write? Billy was wonderful.
I just want to, Google's going to give me SEO love either way. If they write something, that's awesome. A lot of times we'll prompt them, hey, a lot of our other customers are saying, hey, they really helped me out with this. They were speedy, they were quick, they were giving me ideas. Most of the time people don't write stuff because they're just not creative. They just don't know what to say. And so they just don't do anything. So we prompt them a little bit and say, hey, let's get this done. Let's, we can do this part here. Then we update the customer's notes. I won't talk about the emergency contact because that's a more involved process. That's more for my really senior people. And then we mail a life insurance quote to every brand new customer. Every brand new customer under the age of 55 gets a mailed life insurance quote. Life insurance is a big, big deal to me. So, yes.
I heard you mention that earlier. So what kind of life insurance quote are you?
10-year, $250,000. It's a conversation starter.
Right. Okay.
And in our letter it even says, we're not suggesting this, we're not recommending this, this is just a conversation starter. Okay? Get something in their hands. Yes, sir.
Not an email, always
a postal mail.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you don't ever want to make life insurance spam.